What my grandfather did when he created Hartness International was made a conscious effort to build a company around servicing the customer.
Premium Water's core values are serving the customer and giving them value. One of the things we immediately noticed with Hartness is that they had kind of the same thing. They were packaging solutions.
The Hartness Systems Group philosophy is based off of two core principles. The first being Dynac-centric controls. The second being best-in-class line design. We believe that OEM manufacturers don't all build the best components or machineries for a given application. So what we do is we work with the client to understand their needs, their expectations, and work with them to select the best pieces of equipment that fit the given opportunity or the given packaging line design that they need.
Hartness Systems Group will take from a concept, clean sheet of paper, do the layout, procure the equipment, manufacture the conveyor and control systems, install the equipment, commission it, and turn it over to a client as a fully operational line.
Once we decided to go to a 900 bottle a minute line, and once we decided to go to offset packaging, we had to go to robotic palletizers to get the speed that we wanted. And then we had to go to more efficient warehousing systems. The great thing and part of the partnership that we formed with Hartness is that they walked us through that whole process.
From a Premium Water's perspective, I think it's gone probably better than even originally thought we were going to be able to do it. And big part is Tim Rock, being the site manager.
When we showed up here in the middle of July, it was a dance floor. Wide open, nothing installed. And when we're done, we're going to turn the keys over to Premium Waters of an operating facility. That's what we do.
Really, the Dynac is doing two things. It's providing accumulation, and that is if you have a downstream process that stops and an upstream process that's still running, the Dynac is absorbing those bottles and allowing the upstream process to continue to run. But the Dynac does something that's in addition to that that's equally important. It's the nature of Dynac to receive bottles in a pressureless configuration. It accumulates them with no pressure, and it discharges them with no pressure. That is unique in this industry.
Premium Waters has done things to reduce the amount of plastic in our bottles, in our caps. We're using a Dynac with a pressureless system in order to make sure we're able to maneuver those bottles without tipping them over, without causing any issues whatsoever.
By using Dynac technology and getting all of that accumulation in such a small footprint, you're allowed to get the machine centers closer together. That reduces the number of operators and allows an operator to work on more than one piece of equipment.
My operators are not concerned with the conveyors. They're concerned with the machine centers, the packer, the labeler, the blow fill block. And so they can really, within a 30, 45 feet circumference, be where the action is. It really has made their time much more efficient, and they become operators instead of troubleshooters.
One of our unique things about Hartness is how well we're vertically integrated with manufacturing. Control the quality, control the lead time, and be able to get what we've designed from an engineering standpoint put together in a machine that really works for the customer's end use and works reliably for a long time.
This is our global shrink machine. The reason we chose Hartness is one, the quality, and there's some features on this system that help benefit us as far as changeability and changeover times. When we ran this system off, we put 14 different programs in it at Hartness. All those product mixes are actually color-coded.
The offset package frankly solved a lot of the problems that we were concerned about with leaning bottles, shipping integrity, and other things that lightweighting had caused. We actually are able to double stack these pallets. Since we have introduced the package, we saw the results. We have immediately gone to all offsets, or offset packaging capability in all of our plants.
So this is Premium Water's first attempt at a robotic palletizing solution. What's allowed us to do is not only go with the offset package to help build more stability in our packages and our pallets, but allows us to interact with our customers and their needs. So if one customer wants a 48-pack case versus a customer that wants a 60, we're able to give the customer what they want in just about any pallet configuration imaginable.
This plant is producing 30 to 40% more product at the same filler speed than what we were getting in some of our other installations. And we're able to do it with less raw materials, we're able to do it with 40% less energy costs, and we're able to do it with about 1 to 2 less people.
The project was so successful that we actually purchased a sister line, we call it, an identical system to our 900 bottle per minute line at our Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin facility.
Customer commitment, an innovative spirit, and the quality of the people. Those 3 areas are the main reasons why our customers, global customers, come to us on a continual basis to continue to find solutions to the most challenging manufacturing needs.